This presentation is a collaborative technology plan for Education 638 at Liberty University. This is Debbie Leach, and I will be presenting to you our technology plan. First off, we want to start with our mission. The mission of our school is to provide the best possible opportunities to meet the educational needs of each student in a well-equipped, safe, well-maintained, and supportive environment where community members, parents, staff, and most all our students are involved in all aspects of school life. High expectations regarding fairness and equality, critical and creative thinking skills, academic achievement, and integrity will be emphasized to maximize educational opportunity for each student. The vision of our school will be the comprehensive premier school with a community dedicated to our students and their future in a career or college setting. Value statements. Peer-to-peer interaction should be utilized. This could take the form of group work within the same classroom, between classrooms, and between classes in different schools. The second one, instructional needs to move to a student-centered type of instruction. Webcasts and student presentations would start the process. The last, a scaffolding approach that leads to self-discovery will install self-confidence in the students. This method is particularly helpful with disadvantaged students. 21st century learning skills. There are 4 basic skills. Collaboration can be achieved without the internet or internet access, but this will be limited to students within a single school or classroom. With a wireless infrastructure installed, collaboration can be extended to schools and classrooms within the same school system or beyond. Communication. Communication will be the single biggest improvement. Students will have real-time access to gradebooks. School staff will be able to communicate with one another, students and parents of students. Calendars and date books can be shared with the community to see upcoming events and receive emergency notification of school events in real time. Creativity. Creativity will be enhanced through collaboration and communication. Access to collaborative spaces outside of their own community will spur thought and develop inquiring attitudes. Last, internet and intranet access will transition to a student-centered learning environment. Teacher training will demonstrate to the faculty how to shift their instruction to a probing type instruction. This will help teach students critical thinking skills required in educational technology. Research. Behind each of our goals is the research. By encouraging active learning has long been considered as one of the main principles for good practice in higher education. Creating a blended learning environment with technology and applications produces an active learning environment. Blended learning is a formal student-centered educational approach that combines the best practices of traditional education and modern online approaches. Vasilya Stojkovic, Milanovic, Vasilia, Javotsky, and Tresbotsky. By introducing technology into the classroom, computers and applications can increase productivity of the teacher by grading and assessing students. Research. Number 2. With proper supports and perseverance, adding a one-to-one device program to education has been shown to increase student engagement, achievement, and collaboration skills. Rosen and Beckhill, 2012. In their study to compare traditional classrooms with those using the one-to-one successfully, Rosen and Beckhill attributed the technology program with lower unexcused absence rates and lower student discipline reports. Additional benefits to the use of mobile devices in the classroom were increased student-teacher interactions, higher levels of differentiation, which were more frequently than in the traditional classroom counterparts, and more types of teaching models per the class. Professional development. We will have training in the current SIPA procedures, internet security for minors, email ethics, copyright laws for the classroom, ISTE student and teacher standards, effective use of technology in the classroom, digital systems. And then workshops. We'll also have specific classroom management software, plagiarism tools, and other classroom management devices. ISTE standards. With this, there are three types: the administrator, the teacher, and the student. Administrator standard number 4 will be addressed in symptomatic improvement. Student standard number 1 will be access to the blended learning instruction, creativity and innovation. Standard 2, communication and collaboration, research and information literacy, critical thinking, problem solving, and decision making. Under the blended learning instruction, we'll also address teacher standard 1, facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity, and standard 2, design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments. In the one-to-one mobile device program, students will address standard number 5, digital citizenship, standard 6, technology operations and concepts, teacher standard 3, model digital age work and learning, standard 4, promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility, and the administration standard 2, digital age learning culture, and number 5, digital citizenship. This ends the presentation on Collaborative Technology Plan for EDUC 638.